Click on the link below to get price. The IEE 3200W Solar Generator P3200 is an impressive power solution for anyone seeking off-grid energy independence or a reliable backup during power outages. With a capacity of 2048 Wh, this robust generator delivers the energy needed to run multiple devices simultaneously, making it ideal for camping trips, outdoor events, or home use during emergencies. One of the standout features of the P3200 is its dual 500W solar panels. These panels are efficient and easy to set up, allowing users to harness solar energy effectively. The generator can be recharged within hours under optimal sunlight, which makes it a sustainable choice for those looking to reduce their carbon footprint. Additionally, the inclusion of solar panels means that users can have an ongoing renewable power source, which is a significant advantage over traditional gas generators. The unit itself is compact and portable, which is a noteworthy design feature. Weighing in at around 50 pounds, it comes equipped with sturdy wheels and a telescopic handle, making it easy to transport to various locations. The user interface is intuitive, featuring a clear display that shows battery percentage, output load, and input power levels, ensuring users can monitor their energy consumption effectively. Powering devices is straightforward, with multiple output options, including AC outlets, USB ports, and DC outputs, allowing for versatile charging capabilities. Whether you need to power a refrigerator, charge smartphones, or run a small appliance, the P3200 can handle it without breaking a sweat. However, it's worth noting that while the generator performs admirably, its initial cost may be higher than traditional generators. Still, the long-term savings and eco-friendliness of solar power make it a worthwhile investment. Overall, the IEE 3200W Solar Generator P3200 stands out as a reliable, efficient, and versatile power source for anyone looking to embrace solar energy for their power needs.